Hi, I'm Doni, and I'll guide you through our Volume Voyage application by the user authentication and the search function. So let's start with the welcome activity. Here you can see when you first open this app, you will have two options. You can either sign in or register with an account, or you can continue as a guest. So let's go for the first option. As you can see, we only provide two options here. For the user verification system, we chose to use the phone number and the Google sign in. So let's try Google sign in first, and this way it would recognize the account on the device very quickly. So it's like really efficient way to sign in. And we can just log out very easily through the profile page. And since I want to show you the authentication flow, so let's try the phone numbers. And here I will just try a test number which haven't been used before. So let's try. Yeah. And this will bring us to the sign up activity. So here we can add anything. And here, like, the most important thing here is we offer two distinct roles: host, whoever provide volunteer opportunities, and the volunteer who seeks for any experience. So here I will just choose as a volunteer. Okay, let's do it quickly. Yeah, so finish sign up. And now that we are logged in, and I could quickly personalize my profile, by adding, and you can add your skills, right? And here to the heart of our app is like volunteer could discover all kinds of opportunities throughout China, and we do have various type of experience, including like cultural immersion program, social impact, and work exchange opportunity. So like on the home screen, user can easily search on their preferred locations. Let's do Chengdu, and preferred time, like when are they available, right? Let's try. Or we could do like year round and search it. Yeah, and we see a lot of posts here, as you can see, like this intuitive. So this search system makes it so easy for volunteers to find the meaningful experience that they are interested in, and they could just view the details, right? And I'll leave the part for my team members.
I'm Celine, and I'm gonna start with the recommendation part. Our app implements a personalized recommendation system using the KNN algorithm. When users save opportunities, the system creates a preference profile based on locations, opportunity types, and the amenities they've shown interest in. For new users with no saved items, we default to showing highest rated opportunities As users save more opportunities, the suggestions become increasingly personalized. We've created a reusable opportunity card view component that displays opportunity previews consistently throughout the app. The card shows an image with a save button overlay, along with the key information including title, location, date range, and rating. Each piece of information is paired with an appropriate icon to improve readability. This component is used in the main recommendations list, search results, and save screen. When a user taps the Save button, it directly updates Firebase through our Firebase Helper class. And when the user clicks on the heart icon, it saves the opportunity in saved page. And here's the opportunity detail screen. It has the detailed information. Users can apply directly through the Apply button, which sends a notification to the host and creates a conversation in the inbox. And the Chat button initiates direct communication with hosts. And here's our saved screen. This saved screen organizes opportunities by destination location. It displays a grid of places the user has expressed interest in. Tapping a destination reveals all saved opportunities for that location. And this organization helps users plan volunteers travel more effectively by geographical area. The saved data syncs with Firebase, enabling cross-device access and continuously improving our recommendation algorithm. And switching to the host account, host users can create new volunteer opportunities using the Add button in their profile. The Create Opportunity form allows hosts to specify key details including title, location, date range, description, and opportunity type, and upload photos as well. We've integrated the Google Places API to provide location autocomplete functionality, making it easier for hosts to enter valid Chinese cities. When an opportunity is published, it's stored in Firebase with the host ID as an attribute and becomes available in search results and recommendations.
Hello everyone, my name is Chen Yang. I'm going to demonstrate the inbox and chat feature of the app. So as you can see, we have a volunteer and also a host account. So when the volunteer applies for opportunities, we will choose one. For example, like the Shanghai Urban Garden Initiative, and we will click Apply Now button. So a conversation you will see is created in the inbox activities. So the host and the volunteer can communicate in this window. For example, let's type a message. And the volunteers will get the message instantly. It really works like a message app. So, and the other feature I would like to show is when you click the profile picture of the users, it will actually go to the profile page of the users. So it's really convenient to see other people's profile. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Jerry Vogel, and welcome to my portion of the tour of this app. Here we can see our profile. Let's just take a quick look at editing our profile. Let's change our profile biography to something else. Say, I am a host ready to host you. It's a little bit threatening, but here we are. I am a host ready to host you. We are able to post new opportunities or edit our current opportunities. So let's edit volunteer at our cozy hostel in Chengdu. And let's say that the minimum stay is actually 1 month. Update opportunity. I didn't finish the thing. Here we go. We need to update everything and then publish. It takes a bit to publish, mainly because I'm using the emulator right now and my computer is awfully slow. The other thing I want to show right here is if we go to the saved area. I am sorry for the chugging, but this is my computer's fault, and this is the only way I have to record this. Let's go to this one, and we'll take a look at this opportunity. It's hosted by the Green Shanghai Initiative. I wonder who they are. Well, click there, and now we can know. We can see another user's profile very easily, and we can just return back to the previous pages with the back buttons very easily. All right, thank you very much for listening.
Hi, this is Jason. So my part in this project is mainly on the map section. So since our project is based on like a Chinese culture, so we use a Chinese app like Map API. So it only has like a Chinese version, and we can still type some like English in it, and it can recognize the place. So it's gonna be, that's the navigation part. And since we're like in the US, so the Chinese API do not have like the overseas version, so we cannot. So we just set the starting points at the capital of China, but you can also like change the start points. Yeah, and that's basically the path you can choose, and that's basically my parts. And I also fixed some bugs, like for the heart. Previously it cannot like change the colors, so I changed this part, and I also add this part, like the history, the recent search history. So this is the default one because you have no search histories. So when you click one and you go back, and it's gonna loading for a second, and it's gonna just show the history. I'm gonna test a few more, probably Shanghai. and this all can be chosen. Yeah, and if wait a second, you're gonna see, yeah, that's the recent search, and that's basically it. Thank you.